All right, special thanks to these folks for sending me their ceiling fan. Now here's a little bit of basically what it would look like, and you can see this is the US version Depuley ceiling fan. So not much to really show you on the box, of course. Just gonna unbox it and show it to you. Oh man. All right, what all do we got here? All right, so there's one piece of the ceiling fan. Here's another piece. I don't know what these pieces are, or what they do or anything, of course. Get that. A little round wire of some sort in it, it looks like. Then you have a full owner's manual, giving you a full breakdown of how to install it. So that's always helpful. That's what you'll need to know how to install it. And then here are the blades. Let's open these up. Wow, so very, very light. Feels like some nice wood. Already got your holes drilled out and everything that you'll need. 1, 2, and 3 blades, all identical. And this is just foam. And then down in here we have some more goodies. This looks like some mounting gear. Got a ton of different screws, wire nuts, all kinds of stuff in here, bolts, etc. Some more details on what that is. And the main round mounting part right there. Very nice. The quality of this feels great. Doesn't feel cheap or any kind of off-brand or anything. Then not entirely certain what this is, but that too. Looks like that's a dynamic blade balancing kit. Okay, very nice. And then this is, of course, the main motor. Wow, this has some real weight to it. That's where your blades would attach to and everything. So yeah, you got your wires here, and you just get it all put together. So there's that part. And lastly is the fan lamp remote controller. Look at that. You got a little wall plate. You got the remote with all the options. Oh, fan lamp controller. So I guess you wire this in some kind of way and then it's able to use that. So yeah. All right, well that'll do it for this unboxing. Very nice quality filling fan. And as you can see, it would look like this right here on your ceiling. That'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.